You can make yourself a delicious turkey, but it's going to take a little bit of legroom. But you got this. I know it. It's going to be delicious. This is going to be the best turkey that you have ever had. Guarantee. Anyhow, first, we're going to take your turkey. We got our big boy here. Make sure to get those giblets out because we do want to use those. And take that plastic because that's not good eats. Snap that neck, but we're going to save that. Do pat this thing dry. You don't want all that juice getting all over the counter, although some will. Get it as dry as possible. Now we are taking out the spine, and it's going to take some effort, but with some nice kitchen shears, you can do this. Snap that. Now we're going to get that wishbone out. Be careful and get that out, because that is also not great eats. Now, going to take our turkey and smash it down because this is going to be butterflied or spatchcocked, whatever you like to call it. Get that inside nice and dried out. Get it all seasoned. Here I am using chicken seasoning, but you can use any seasoning blend you like. I'm using about probably 8 tablespoons worth of seasoning. So go crazy or go as light as you like, but please be generous with that seasoning. And be sure to get that seasoning on both sides of the bird. We want that flavor to be 360 degrees. So get everything all nice and get that bird into a fridge. After 24 hours, it'll be nice and dried out. And now it's time to get it into the oven to dry out that skin a little more because we are going to achieve a perfect crispy skin. So about 20 minutes later, that'll be nice. For now, I'm going to create a little potion that we're going to brush onto the skin that will make that skin even better. Here is some bourbon, some liquid smoke, as well as some molasses. And once I have that all in this measuring cup, I'm going to go ahead and blend that all together. It's like I'm making a nice little cocktail. Clean up the mess, of course. Give it a little taste.
I think I could drink this, but I'm not.
Yes, I'm definitely not going to drink that, even though it's delicious. But I am going to take my turkey out. It's not done yet, but here's what we need to do next. You gotta take it, place it on the counter, and brush it generously with our skin potion. That sounds weird, but that's what this basically is. You get it on there nice and coated, nice and painted. You want full coverage of the bird. Now, we're gonna crank our oven up, gonna stick in our predictive thermometer, which makes cooking this to the perfect doneness easier than you'd ever think. And with the temperature locked in, I'm gonna go ahead and get this bird back into the oven. This is going to vary in time, but when it's all done, whew, that thing looks beautiful. But it's not quite time to eat it yet. We're gonna give it a second coating of that turkey potion. Yes, get full coverage once again, clean up your mess once again, and then place that back into the oven for a couple more minutes until we've got a nice golden bird. Look how delicious that thing is. Going to cut off the wings, as well as the thighs, because I'm actually going to place those back into the oven for additional cooking because they're not done quite yet. However, the breast is done, so here with the thighs done, I'm placing them back onto the board along with the wings, taking that temperature thingy out because that's not good eats. And here is our bird. How does it taste? Well, let's give it a shot.
That was good. This is a delicious way to turkey. You get juicy meat, you get crispy skin. It is incredible. So no matter how you turkey, make sure you do turkey right. And if you do, no matter what your preferred method of cooking turkey is, it's gonna be a treat. Well, until next time. Wife, out.